Hi guys, welcome to IT Networking. AIService.exe high CPU using. So how to resolve? So first step guys, open Windows Security. Otherwise you can search from here Windows Security, virus and threat protections. To click scan options, then slow down, click Microsoft Defender antivirus offline scanner. This is take to about 15 minutes and depend about your configurations and your in C drive data. Okay, then click to scan now. Okay, this is first and automatically restart. And then second method,
Then guys, click to start button and type cmd and then enter. You can try to run an administrator, right click to run as administrator, so you're giving full permissions. Okay, then guys, I have some command to repair your some corrupted Windows file. So this command I will give you a link in description, so you directly copy paste. Okay, first command is sfc/scan now. You look at in the screen. So some when you enter the some percentage like to start and find out to any corrupted file. Okay, and then second also check health your computers, and third also check, and fourth restore your health. Okay, so all four four command is very important for your computers. Okay, and that all command I will give you in description, so you can manual type, otherwise copy paste what you want to do. Okay, so almost first complete, then second just a copy and then paste, copy and then paste. Okay, yeah, and then enter. Okay, now third. Then guys, complete your process. Fourth count also done. When your system restart, and then check your problem is 100% solved. Okay, bye bye, take care. And you comment me have any issue, so WhatsApp me, number is on banner. Bye.